Yes, you know it's your boy, Papa, you know, and this is Reality JA. I'm here in the night, you know, asking some weird question. I don't know if it's weird to you, but I know it's weird to me. But here I'm a general. She book a lady. And you're not go home. And when you're in the bedroom, you know, a little thing I go on, and you realize that she's too white.
Meaning why? Meaning.
Like, yes, you know it's your boy. Yes, you know it's your boy, Papa, you know, and this is Reality JA. I'm here in the night, you know, asking some weird question. I don't know if it's weird to you, but I know it's weird to me. But here I am a general. She book a lady. And you're not go home. And when you're in the bedroom, you know, a little thing I go on, and you realize that she's too white.
Meaning why? Meaning.
Like you enter and you find out that there's a lot of space in her.
Well,
Would you marry her or would you tell her? Or would you just leave her same place?
well, maybe somewhere want to stitch up. You know, like you think about the check the they call it the people. Not to tell you about the
No, but the question is, would you tell her or would you leave her?
based on that question you can't tell her because you know so she not take it right. She never take it. You know what I mean? So me personally, nothing me tell her.
So you tell her, you don't have to leave her then.
Me now just take time to take it myself. You know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, that question and that topic are very touchy topic for ladies. Guys. Now for them to believe saying why they do. And they go blame upon you and say what? It's smart.
Alright, you know what I'm going next trip.
Yeah man.
So you hear me people, so if you have a woman and you carry her home and that happen,
Well I see there now.
the general say you won't tell her.
They might want needle and thread. Stitch up your wall.
Alright. Yeah, my people, you know it's Reality JA. I'm trying to see my face, you know it's your Papa. And this is the voice of
Ashley B, one of the Big Up Reality JA TV show. All the time, every time. Yeah.
Alright, this is the question I want to ask you tonight. How soon a guy can get a cookie?
Well, depends on the energy and the move and the time, you know.
Yeah, but no one know how soon.
We can't determine that, honestly.
1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Can't take so long.
Probably around about 6 months.
So you can't hold out that long.
Me?
Yeah.
We can hold up to all 3 years, 6 years, 7 years,
But
12
enough of that then. The real question I want to ask you now though. When the time come and you're living in the bedroom
Well, I'm
and it's short.
sometimes it depends on the vibes and the energy. Suppose me stress out. You can't say me can't determine when one man can get my friend because what if me stress out? Something brother and the man just have the right connection and the vibes to me and I'm stress out time. I'm want some sex or service. They are gonna take it.
Yeah, but when the
But
time
him
come,
can't want it when me no want it or no man can't come and run up on me and me have to run up on you. You understand? So it determines how me feel.
but you have to keep my question and I want to ask you.
Me can't answer that.
Listen now. So when the time come and you realize he's short in a bed, would you tell him? Or would you just let him
When the
same
time
place?
come, if that happen now and the time come, if him wait 6 months and the time come.
No. If you see this part cut, you know what she said. But come, what would you do?
Moda tell him say yo. This sleeping about we have to work because you told me wait 6 months. We can't sabotage you like that. We have to go bear the losing.
Oh,
You
so
understand? But we not go wait 6 months without seeing each other's front. Yes, we can see each other's private area. I see if we can work with that. So when the 6 months come, me not have nothing to tell him and him not have nothing to tell me.
alright, so you hear me people, so don't see ladies like them, I don't know what they're going to come next. Reality JA, and we are in the building with
Ladies and gentlemen, here it's your boy Alton, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, me boss. But this is the question. I know we act together, but I never asked you a question like this. This is reality, JA, so anything you can ask for me.
Alright.
If you book a girl and you take her home, and you know in the bedroom, find out say she too white. Would you tell her or would you leave her?
She too what?
She too white.
White?
White.
White?
Yeah.
What do you mean white?
White. You know some man always have them problem with some female.
What do you mean the vagina?
Yeah. Would you tell her or would you leave her?
I don't leave her.
So you wouldn't tell her?
No.
Well, that's his opinion, so.
That's disrespect. If I'm to tell her, that's disrespect. Probably a me too.
Well,
Probably a me. So me would tell her. But I just walk in.
alright, he has a. We understand. We understand the part. He's a good man. We understand that part. Probably could be you.
Yeah, it could be me.
That's why don't shout in bed. Alright, my people. Reality JA. You know it's your boy, Papa. You know it's, when you see me, you know it's a Reality JA. But we are in the house with
Apple.
so Apple. Big up Reality JA, man. Tell people to subscribe.
Subscribe to Reality JA, period, all day, every day.
Alright, here's the question I want to ask now. How long it take you for a man to get a cookie?
Okay?
How long would it take a man to get a cookie if you're talking to a man?
How long?
How long?
Like, I have to get to know the person first.
Yeah, but how long would it take him to get it? You know?
It depends.
Oh, it depends. But anyway, this is the question. When the time come and he get it, and he's shot in the bed, would you tell him or would you let him?
I'm shouting at the bed. If you want to tell him or let him.
Yeah. As in, yeah, you might
if
do
it
so.
come quick, yeah, I understand.
No, we're not that way. We're not reach at the compact. I'm talking about the tickling. You know, some girl always say, man, tickle them, they not feel nothing. I'm talking about that point.
Well, I'm going to tell her the truth. I'm going to tell her say it's small. I'm going to tell her say it don't feel right.
So you have them nerves if you tell a man that.
Of course, I have the balls. When
Alright. Nice talking to you, but anyway, young people, she gonna tell them the truth. So you see them girl up, make sure to have the giant because she gonna tell every
I
small.
don't want a giant thing, I just want the right size. I understand.
Alright, you have an honest opinion. Some girl that say they want a 9-inch or a 12-inch. And you know,
Yeah, something big.
when they go with it, you lost.
Yeah, something big. Period. Yeah, something big.
Big up yourself. Nice knowing you. Nice knowing you. Yeah, my people. Boy, we are telling them on the hot.